The Morning Brew.
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 With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew, mga ma'am, mga sir. yung ayaw patawag ng sir, hayaan niyo na sila. Trending Ako nga madalas sinasabi ko pag tinatawag akong sir. Alam niyo sinasabi ko, yung mga tunay kong kaibigan, alam to na naiintindihan to. Ang madalas kong sabihin, wag mo na akong tawaging sir. Pero wag din ma'am. That's the dealio. Welcome to the Morning Brew. That's what I'm trying to say. And it's a beautiful rainy Tuesday morning. It's been raining for 3 straight days now. Tatlong araw na, no? Sunod-sunod na umuulan. Buti na lang hindi bumabaha, no? Dahil hindi naman todo buhos yung ulan. But still, nonetheless, it's always rainy. The road is always wet. So those who are driving, have a safe drive, huh? Okay? Ingat-ingat sa pagmamaneho. Alright? So, kamusta yung panonood nyo ng Sona? Ayos ba? Anong masasabi nyo sa Sona? All right. Are you satisfied with what you've heard? Yeah, let's talk about it. The live video is on. You can comment on the live video. Pwede yung sagutin yung tanong ko doon via the live video. All right. Are you guys satisfied with what you heard? Okay. Tsaka saang parte kayo nakulangan kung hindi man, ha? All right. So let's get interactive. You guys jam with me. Live video is on. Turn it on the official 89.5 Facebook page, the Morning Brew page, my page, DJ Tommy G. Just look them up, okay? For the live video. Time for me to tell you about today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment. All right? But first, before that, the song you just heard, the one we just played a while ago, Stolen from Dashboard Confessional. It's brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Okay? Check out the ongoing promo. Stars and Stripes selections hanggang July 18 pala, no? It ended na. Pero the other one is still ongoing. Chocolate Carnival promo. July 7 to August 7, 2024. Step right up into the Chocolate Carnival at Royal Duty Free shops. Up until August 7, spend at least 500 pesos on participating chocolate brands and get a chance to spin the wheel of chocolates for instant prizes. All right, you will spin the wheel para sa instant prizes ninyo. Okay? Indulge your sweet tooth and win big. Okay? The Chocolate Carnival at the Royal Duty Free. Check out their official social media pages and the official website, www.royalsubic.com. You may call them up 2523-258. All right? And today's holidays and observances brought to you this time by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay? And speaking of Dinalupihan, Bataan, whenever you're in Dinalupihan, also check out these diners, the following diners: Ma I'm Hungry, Taco Bataan, and Cafe Filipina. They are all located at Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay? And back to the Wawas Jr. Flame Grilled Quarter Pounder Burgers. If you want yours delivered, call or text 0927-895-9714. Okay? And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting Flame Grilled Quarter Pounder Burgers and a whole lot more. Okay? Buy one, take one burgers, extra add-ons, fries with different flavors to choose from. You visit their official Facebook page to know more about their menu. Okay? On with today's holidays and observances. July 23. Wow. Bilis ng araw. July 23 na. 8 days na lang. Nandyan na si paring August. Ha? Okay? July 23 is Mosquito Day. The Mosquitoes Day. I hate mosquitoes. Araw ng mga lamok. Yan, okay? Ang July 23. I didn't knew that. Vanilla Ice Cream Day. Alright? Something that's yummy for you. At pa, another thing that's yummy. Kung Vanilla Ice Cream Day today, pero peanut butter and chocolate day din. Oh, ba't sumasabay yung Vanilla Ice Cream, ha? Parang nagpapahiwatig to eh. You put them together, Rocky Road. O ito pa, pandagdag pa rin doon. Sprinkle Day. Nag-usap-usap ba to? Diba? For ice cream that has peanut butter and chocolate. Pwede po pang sprinkle yan, di ba? Sprinkle Day. Candy sprinkles, that is. Alright, so just a few holidays and observances for today. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays, this one's for you. birthday to you, Filipino actor, TV and movie actor Zanjo Marudo, July 23, 1982. Actress, comedian Eugene Domingo, or as we are fond of calling her, Uge. Actress, comedian, also TV presenter. July 23, 1971. Actor, veteran actor. Very, very good character actor. Ping Medina. July 23, 19... Are you sure? 1983? He's way older. For 1983. He's older than me. Baka ibang Ping Medina to, no? Okay. Pen Medina yung isa. Oo nga. This is a young actor, si Ping Medina. Lately kasi hindi na ako nagpapanood ng local showbiz TV, you know? And next up we have, hindi to youngster for sure. Christy Fermin, July 23, 1956. And PBA's Bernie Pabiosa, okay, from... He's a PBA player from the 80s and 90s. Yan, okay, si Bernie Pabiosa. July 23, 1954. He's a good point guard, si Bernie Pabiosa. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Sandra Summer. July 23, 1994. Next up, we have another PBA player, Jack Tanuan. Ayan, from the 90s yata si Jack Tanuan, if I remember it right. Early 90s or late 80s, early 90s. Okay? Next up, we have Mr. Harry Potter. He will forever be known as Harry Potter. Daniel Radcliffe. Parang kailan lang pinapanood natin Harry Potter. He's just a child actor there. Today, he turns 35, huh? Okay? Happy birthday, Daniel Radcliffe. And TV actor also, Paul Wesley. Next up, we have happy birthday din kay funny man, movie and TV actor Marlon Wayans of the Wayans Brothers. Turns 52 today. And Guns N' Roses lead guitarist Slash. July 23, 1965. He will forever be known as the lead guitarist of Guns N' Roses. Even though they parted ways, they had separate projects, separate bands, different bands. They will forever be in Guns N' Roses, that cast. Kasama si Axl Rose, si Iggy, not Iggy Azalea, Iggy Stradlin, yun. Sino pa ba? Si Duff McKagan, si, what's their drummers? I forgot. Anyways, Woody Harrelson turned 63 today. He doesn't look 63, huh? And lastly, Michelle Williams of Destiny's Child. 1/3 of Destiny's Child, Michelle Williams. So those are the people celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. July 23 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. Okay, for the meantime, here's one of today's birthday celebrants, Michelle Williams of Destiny's Child. We break the dawn, 895 Subic Bay Radio.